What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark. I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be going over how to deposit money into your broker account to your MetaTrader 4 so you'll be able to trade it. All right, this could be good for beginners, also people who thinking about going live. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. All right, guys, so what I do is come to my Cash App. I use Cash App, my Bitcoin. If you haven't already done this, you need to verify your identity when it comes to Cash App. You'll just simply go down to the bottom where the $ is. Right beside it will give you the Bitcoin option. And you'll just have to take a picture of the front and back of your license. It should take less than 24 hours. You get verified and you'll be able to send and deposit. This is the same way you're going to be able to withdraw your money. I'm going to do a video on how to withdraw funds as well, but this is how to deposit it. So what you're going to do is click buy, and here is what you do. You pick the amount that you are interested in investing into the Forex market. Here's where you could type in the amount that you want to actually trade. So let's go with this. We're going to add this to the account, and it tells you right here how much it's charging you, how much it's charging you, and everything right here. And if you're good with that, you just click the sell. Cool, hit confirm. Now what you're gonna do, you just purchased it, so now it's in your Bitcoin wallet. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to your KOT broker. All right, once you log in, all you gotta do is come to your screen, and once you created your account and all that good stuff, which you should have already done, you will be able to go to deposit. All right, what you're gonna do is click wallet, USD, all right, Bitcoin, the amount, copy address right here. You're gonna go to send Bitcoin. Are you gonna type what you see? So 1694848. All right, send. You're gonna paste. Click on it. Next. Confirm. You have to wait for the blockchain, all right, to confirm your transaction. So I will come back to the video once everything is done and show you how to get it from your wallet to your MetaTrader 4. All right, guys, so we just got a notification that KOT, all right, has accepted. So what we're gonna do is head over to the dashboard. As you can see, it's up top in the wallet. It's still not inside of your MetaTrader 4 yet. Now, if you don't have an account, what you want to do is go to my accounts, all right, and create an account. So I already have an account. I'm finna just upload this to my account, but if you don't have one, you want to make sure that you go to create an account and make sure that it is the live account and not the demo. Select currency, USD. Leverage, you can choose your own. I always go with 500, and then you can create the account. All right, so now what we're gonna do, add the money to our MetaTrader 4 app. All right, so if you already have an account ready to go, or if you just created an account like I just showed you, you need to go ahead and log into your MetaTrader 4 with the login information they just emailed you with right here. All right, just go to that, click the top and go to internal transfer, and we're gonna click wallet to MetaTrader 4. All right, you're gonna choose the balance that's at the top, and you're gonna choose the account that you want to add the money to. All right, so we just created this account. All right, 1030.42. All right, and it's gonna be inside your account, and now you're able to trade it.